Venus flytrap. As you can see, the flytrap makes itself very attractive to any insects. The flytrap has 3 small hairs that act as triggers to a cage closing mechanism. The first hit will initiate a 20-second timer, and the second will trigger the trap. The Venus flytrap, like most plants, is a C3 plant. It is only found in bogs and wetlands, and of course it eats stuff. However, this plant only grows in soils that are poor in nutrients. Photosynthesis is the primary source of energy for the Venus flytrap. The soil that they live in is nutrient poor, so they don't get much in the way of nutrients from the soil. That's why they developed an ability to trap insects that supplement for the lack of nutrients in the soil. After the prey is caught, digestive enzymes are released inside of the surface of the trap, and the prey is digested. Approximately 10 days later, the trap resets itself and is ready for another meal. Then of course, the most painfully hilarious plant that we all first saw watching the Roadrunner and Coyote show, the cactus. But not just any cactus, the most common well-known cactus, the Kalmar cacti. The Kalmar cacti are of course a cam plant. There are over 2,000 species of cacti with various shapes and forms. These cacti are most famous for being found all over the desert, especially in dry states like Arizona. And of course, they are extremely painful. Cactus are real water reservoirs. Their inner liquid is not pure clean water, but a thick, chewy substance, but is still perfectly drinkable. And of course, cacti have to undergo photosynthesis. But hang on a second. How does a cactus undergo photosynthesis? Most cacti are stem succulents, one of the many adaptations plants have to very dry environments. Stem succulents have very thick water-storing stems. Not all cacti are succulents, and not all succulents are cacti. To limit water loss, many desert-adapted plants have very small leaves or spikes. This presents a trade-off problem because reducing water losses with smaller leaves also reduces the number of chloroplasts containing cells in the leaves. To compensate, photosynthesis function is transferred to the choroidal cells in their fleshy stem, and so they're a green color. Succulent cacti have leaves that are reduced to spines, serving to protect water-storing stems. Since cacti are cam plants, their stomas are closed during the day. However, they also capture solar energy through the day, and they finish the process of photosynthesis by night when the stoma reopens for minimal water loss. Okay, so let's recap. The Kalmar cacti is a cam plant. It photosynthesizes at night and is a very good water source. The Venus flytrap is a C3 plant. It photosynthesizes during the day, and due to poor soil, it can eat whatever it can hold for nutrients that aren't given to it through the soil. Cactus are able to survive through extreme dry spells, while the Venus flytrap is always very limited to a very wet area, like bogs or wetlands. However, there is one factor that both these plants share alike. They both extremely hurt. Thank you guys for watching my comparison of the Kalmar cacti and the Venus flytrap.